Okay, show me what you do. Yep, then wash them. Good job. Okay, I'll wait for you. Okay, Clara. Come on. Hi. Oh, great job. Show me how you washed your hands. Good job.
I don't know if she likes it because of the clicking noises that she makes.
Okay, go back.
Clara, you are tenacious.
Oh, what are you going to do? Wash them. Okay, turn the water on. Okay, got the soap. Wash your hands. Wash them. Yep. Okay, wash. Okay. Okay, Clara. Come on. Oh, great job. You're a marathon runner, huh? You say yes.
And don't